Got this piece of chicken breast, frozen. I want to cook it on the grill or in a frying pan. I got two choices. Defrost it till it's completely ice-free and soft, then cook it, or cook it starting from frozen. Well, I have found, and you can try this out, that when I cook it on the grill or in a frying pan, starting from frozen, the meat is juicier and more tender than if I defrost it first. It seems if I defrost it first, then try to cook it, it dries it out. But if I start from frozen, it still cooks through, but the moisture from the freezing seems to stay in the chicken, or it could be any other kind of meat, ribs or whatever. It stays in there, it gets cooked, but now it is more moist.